Hello everyone. Hongsinn places strong focus on the processing and manufacturing of non-standard components. The materials of our processed products include stainless steel, aluminum alloy, plastic, copper alloy, and high-speed steel, etc. The products seen on the table are some of the processed parts we manufacture. These are steel parts. This aluminum part is treated by surface oxidation, and this product is not. These plastic parts are made of nylon, PET, and POM. The inside of this stainless steel part has been polished. There are also stainless steel parts that are surface faded, sandblasted, and lathed. This is a chrome-plated copper part, and this is ordinary copper.